Let me say. Good morning! Oh, it's already afternoon. Good afternoon mga kabrutsa. Chef Boy Brutsa is ready to show down again for my Hungarian stir-fry egg noodle with cheese. Simple, my stir-fry mixed vegetable, egg noodles, my broccoli, 300 grams of chicken, Thai, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, so a tomato. I have an onion. Or let's start cooking mga bao. Onion and my tomatoes. Tomato sauce. My chicken. 3 minutes. My soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and then my black pepper. Okay, need to mix it first. So my 1 cup of water, I set for 5 minutes. Now need to put my broccoli, vegetable, the water. Then down to the temperature is down to 150. Put the cover back for 5 minutes. Try Chef Boy Brutsa Hungarian stir-fry egg noodle with cheese. You want to try it? Then taste it. Taste the difference. Chef Boy Brutsa.